Hey Ollie, have you heard about the Epic Mentorship YouTube channel? Epic Mentorship, the name sounds familiar. What's it about? Oh man, it's a goldmine for anyone looking to improve their skills, whether it's tech, software tutorials, or even career development. The guy behind it makes super helpful videos on AI tools, video editing, and all sorts of productivity hacks.
Alright, hello guys and welcome back to the channel. This video that you've just had is a simple conversation between two animated characters, and it is completely created by a free AI tool that we're going to share with you. So this AI tool is none other than Adobe Express AI tool. You can create animated videos from any audio in minutes. Okay, so this complete video that you've seen is just created using this tool in just a number of steps. So the first thing is you start by accessing the Adobe Express. You can access this from the description of this video. I have kept in this particular website. You can just click to access it and it is going to bring you over here. And there are 3 steps to animate your videos from an audio for free. The first thing is you have to select the character, upload an audio, and then you can customize it to however you want it, and then you can continue editing maybe in different platforms, or you can do that also here. All right, so let's start with the most basic. Start now. All right, so you brought in over here and you can see the different characters that we have. You can see this is old. You can navigate to see the different characters that you have with different features depending on your creation or what you want specifically. But you can also go into categories. You can see from new to old people, to young people, to professional people, and so on. You can see so many of their music, ads, wintertime, and so on. Okay, you can see others as well, so many of them. But let's go with young people, for example, and I kind of like this particular guy, so let's select this. He's maintaining this background, but you can zoom out if you want to zoom out. You can zoom out so you can see the whole of him in this location. But if the location is not what you want, you can as well come over here and change the background. You can have it to have a different background. For example, you can have it to have it to be in this background and so on. Okay, or if you want to have a transparent background, also maybe you want to have a specific custom background that you are targeting, you can as well have it in that, or you can change to anyone of your choice. All right, so this is very easy. Let's use this simple background. I think it is kind of simple because it's a conversation between two people. Now you can go ahead and check in the size as well. If you want to check the size, you can see different sizes depending on your creation as well. Let's go with the horizontal as well, 1.97 by 1. Okay, or if you want to go strictly on YouTube, you can specify it by platform as well. If you go to YouTube, and you can use the 16 by 9 as well, which is very okay, and you can move the character to any location of your choice. Now let's come back to the character, and let's say we select this guy as our first option. Now what is going to do, record your character's dialogue. You can actually browse if you have the voiceover somewhere generated. Okay, if you have it somewhere, then you can browse and bring it in. But if you don't have, you can as well record it directly, and then you can enhance it. If you are interested in enhancing, you can record and then enhance, okay, the voice. But then for this tutorial, let's say at this point we want to generate the text and then we want to generate the voiceover on our own. So let's go back here. Let's enter ChatGPT. I've prompted it this: can you generate a 10-minute conversation between Mustafa and Ali on whether they have subscribed to Epic Mentorship YouTube channel or not? Okay, so this is the conversation. Mustafa: hey Ali, have you heard about the Epic Mentorship YouTube channel? Then this is Ali, and this is Mustafa again, and then this is Ali. Okay, so let's say we're picking this simple conversation and let's create a voiceover out of them. So let's select the first one, which is Mustafa, and I'm going to use one of my easiest or free to use voiceover platform, AI generated platform that I have been using, which is CTS Maker. Okay, so I'm going to use CTS Maker, and then I'm going to paste in this, and then I have to have someone read it, someone who is a male. Let's say this guy.
Hey Ollie, have you heard about the Epic Mentorship YouTube channel?
All right, so this is good, so let's download it. All right, so this is Ali, so we call this Ali 1. Can rename it and call it Ali 1. And then we can have the second guy, Mustafa.
Epic Mentorship, HMM, the name sounds familiar. What's it about?
All right, so let's download this. Let's say this is Ali. So this was Mustafa one. Now this is Ali. All right, so let's go back and let's have the second one. All right, so let's have the second one. Let's have this guy read it. So this is Mustafa now.
Oh man, it's a gold mine for anyone looking to improve their skills, whether it's tech, software tutorials, or even career development. The guy behind it makes super helpful videos on.
All right, so let's download this as well. And then let's call this Mustafa 2, okay? All right, so now we have the voiceovers for the two of them. So let's go ahead and create the videos directly from the character. So let's come back here. Let's say this is Mustafa, and then we have Ali by the side, okay? So having a conversation. So let's go on and let's say we start with, let's use a transparent background for this. And then let's browse. And then let's go on to the downloads. This is Mustafa 1. And let's upload. All right, so you can see it is done. And we can hear the preview.
Hey Ollie, have you heard about the Epic Mentorship YouTube channel?
Okay, this is good. So we can go ahead and download this. Okay, download is not available for videos with transparent background. Okay, so let's go back. So let's use green background. Okay, so let's go on and browse. And then let's say Mustafa 1 and click on OK. All right, so let's hear one more time. Let's hear him.
Hey Ollie, have you heard about the Epic Mentorship YouTube channel?
All right, so this is good. You can go ahead and download this. All right, so you can see Mustafa 1 has been downloaded. So let's go back. Let's say this time around, that was Mustafa. Let's get Ali. All right, let's choose this guy. Right, so let's say this is Ali and let's change the background of Ali. Let's use the same green background. Okay, so let's say here and then let's change the sizing to YouTube and then we can use 16:9. All right, so now we can record this. Let's add the audio. This is Ali 1 and then we can add it up. All right, so let's play and see.
Epic Mentorship, the name sounds familiar. What's it about?
Okay, good. So let's download this. And you can see we've downloaded the two videos. We have Ali 1, we have Mustafa 1. And then let's hear the last one, which is Mustafa's part. All right, so let's zoom it out and then let's finish up the last one. And this is going to be Mustafa 2, that is the audio. Okay, this one. All right, so you can see it has generated the second one. Okay, so let's click.
Oh man, it's a gold mine for anyone looking to improve their skills, whether it's tech, software tutorials, or even career development. The guy behind it makes super helpful videos on AI tools, video editing, and all sorts of productivity hacks.
All right, so fantastic. So you can go ahead and download this. And we can now see that we have the second video from Mustafa. So we have all our videos ready. The next thing is let's have a background that we can join together. So let's say school background, for example, and Google. We can just use any of them, or we can come to images, and then we can pick this particular one, this one. I think this one looks cool. So we can download it. Come to save image as, and then we can have it downloaded. Okay, so once it is downloaded, the last tool that we're going to use is CapCut. Of course, we'll create a project and then we can import all the media that we have. But then there's one particular issue. Let's go back to the same thing. There's a period when as Mustafa is speaking, Ali is keeping quiet, and as Ali is speaking, Mustafa is keeping quiet. So we have to make that right. Okay, so let's go back. All right, so this is Ali. We have to make him quiet for some seconds. So let's say record, allow. Okay, so let's say done. This is Mustafa keeping quiet and not saying anything. So you can just download it. Alright, so it is done. This period, Mustafa is not saying anything. So we can just download. This is quiet Mustafa. And then we can try Ali also quiet. Alright, so let's try Ali also keeping quiet. Alright, record. Alright, so this is Ali keeping quiet for some seconds. And then we're going to download it as well. Alright, so now that we have everything ready, we can just click on download to download it. And that means we have all the scenes that we're looking for ready. We have the background, we have the videos, and we can now use CapCut as our last destination to cover up everything. So we can import all the media that we have. Let's come to download, and then we can see them over here. Okay, so this is Ali 1, this is Ali 1, this is Mustafa. Right, so let's say this is the image, and then we can just import everything together. So the first thing is we can add Ali. So we import everything. So this is the image, which is going to be beneath this. All right, so put it above. Okay, so we can remove the green screen by just selecting the video, and we can come over to the video properties over here. We can come to remove background, and then we can go to chroma key. Here, the green, and you can see everything is gone. So we can do the same for all the other ones. All right, the same thing. Let's click. I remove the background. Let's go to the next one. Chroma key. Click and remove the background. Go to the next one. Chroma key. Click and remove the background. Okay, the last one. Chroma key and remove the background. Okay, so we can extend our background all through, and you can see right now the video is coming up. So this is Ali speaking. This is the first guy that spoke. So we bring it up here, and then we bring this one back here, because at the time when Ali was speaking, this guy is just keeping quiet. Okay, this is Ali quiet. So this guy is keeping quiet. So we'll bring him here, and you can see right now they are together. Okay, so let's have a small preview.
Mentorship of the name.
Okay, so this is Ali keeping quiet. Let's bring him here. Let's adjust.
Hey Ollie, have you heard about the Epic Mentorship YouTube channel?
All right, so let's see. This is the second part when Ali was speaking. So bring it here. And then Mustafa is looking, is keeping quiet.
Epic Mentorship, the name sounds familiar. What's it about?
All right, so now we can have Ali now do the last talking, and then we have Ali listen. Mustafa do the last talking, and then Ali listen. We can copy and paste this. We can even extend it a little bit, and then you can free copy and paste here, so it covers everything. All right, so we can adjust this. Right, so let's hear.
It's a goldmine for anyone looking to improve their skills, whether it's tech, software tutorials, or even career development. The guy behind it makes super helpful videos on AI tools.
Wow, good. So this is fantastic, and you can just go ahead and export this, and you can have it as your own video. Okay, so you can follow the same process to create your own video. You can just come over here and click on export and define where you want to save it, and then you can save it directly. All right, so let's open, and you can specify these settings and say export, and now you have your video exported.
Hey Ollie, have you heard about the Epic Mentorship YouTube channel? Epic Mentorship, the name sounds familiar. What's it about? Oh man, it's a goldmine for anyone looking to improve their skills, whether it's tech, software tutorials, or even career development. The guy behind it makes super helpful videos on AI tools, video editing, and all sorts of productivity hacks.
Alright, ladies and gentlemen, this concludes this simple tutorial about how to create animated AI videos for free, completely for free. You can do that without limits. So just go ahead and explore and follow these steps and see how you can create your own. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one. Bye.